which is coming in. External Affairs Minister Dr. Jai Shankar has given his first detailed reply on Rajnath Singh, the Raksha Mantri stand at the SCO summit. In fact, the External Affairs Minister replies to Times Now's question. The SCO subject was, remember, to fight terrorism, specifically cross-border terrorism that India had raised this issue. So what really happened was that Rajnath Singh, remember, he had gone for the meeting and one of the countries that you can say, guess, that we don't want to reference out right now. Rajnath Singh said that if you don't allow reference, I will not accept it. It's very understandable. He was talking about the reference of Pakistan in the SCO summit. In fact, he also said that one country should not be allowed to be mentioned by terrorism. Rajnath Singh said that it is not going to be done, that India will not accept the statement at all, which is why, since India refused and rejected the statement which was backed by Pakistan as well as China, after that there was no resolution which was adopted at the SCO. In fact, this is what Dr. Jai Shankar has to say.
The Shanghai Cooperation Organization, its objective was to fight terrorism. Okay? So this organization exists to fight terrorism. So what happened was, when Rajnath ji went for a defense minister's meeting and there was a discussion, you can guess which one. One country said that no, we do not want a reference to that. Now Rajnath ji's view rightly was that without that reference, when the main purpose of that organization is to fight terrorism and you are not allowing a reference to that, I am not prepared to accept it. Our point of view to terrorism, because one country, you see, SCO runs by unanimity. तो सर्वसहमति से SCO चलता है. तो एक देश ने जो है, उन्होंने कहा कि हम नहीं मानेंगे कि आतंकवाद का कहीं जिक्र होना चाहिए. और राजनाथ जी ने कहा कि अगर आतंकवाद का कोई इसमें जिक्र नहीं है तो हम लोग जो है वो स्टेटमेंट नहीं मानेंगे.
Well, there you have it. The External